Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, finished in black with a striking red interior. It runs on gasoline and features a powerful 5.7L V8 engine paired with four-wheel drive. The truck has been in the same family since new and was always maintained by professional mechanics, ensuring its reliability through the years. It retains its original sheet metal with no patches, and while there are some areas of rust that will need attention, the frame, original doors, bed, bumpers, and tailgate all remain solid. Inside, the truck still carries its original interior, which is free from tears and shows the care it has received over the decades. It also comes fitted with a cowl induction hood and a trifecta tonneau cover, adding both style and practicality. The factory aluminum wheels are wrapped in good tires, making it road-ready. It was inspected in July 2025 and continues to drive well, though the transmission has lost second gear while all other gears still shift properly.
Number 2.
1978 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000. It stands out with its bold red exterior and matching red interior. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it both powerful and practical for its era. Under the hood, it carries a 350 TBI engine that runs strong, paired with a TH350 transmission that currently shifts only into first and second gear, so some mechanical work will be required to bring it back to full performance. Supporting its 4x4 capabilities is the reliable NP205 transfer case, making it a solid choice for those who value durability. This truck is also fitted with power windows and power mirrors, which are in good working order, and it even has air conditioning that could function again with a simple recharge. While there are areas of rust, the body remains impressively straight, giving it great potential either as a restoration project or as a dependable classic workhorse.
Number 3.
1986 Dodge Ram 50, price $6,500. It has been in the same family since new, passed down through generations. It comes finished in red with a brown interior and is powered by a 2.6L Mitsubishi 4-cylinder paired with a manual transmission, showing 125,000 original miles. A true 4x4 farm truck, it runs and drives well, with the 4x4 system working just as it should. The truck is rust-free and features a dealer-painted bumper from Oklahoma. Recent work includes new all-terrain tires, shocks, ignition coil, wires, plugs, fuel pump, and valve cover gasket. It isn't perfect, with some dents, scratches, a missing interior door handle, a headlight switch issue, and a small oil pan gasket leak. The carburetor could also use a rebuild. Overall, this is a solid, rust-free classic pickup that has been loved and cared for across nearly 40 years. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1994 Ford F150, price $5,400, shows 174,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission paired to a strong 5.8-liter gasoline engine. Despite its age, it runs impressively quiet and smooth, delivering that unmistakable classic ride with plenty of life still left in it. The truck features twin 15-gallon fuel tanks for extended range, a durable bedliner to protect the bed, and factory air conditioning that still blows cold. Recent maintenance has been taken care of, including a fresh oil change and coolant flush performed on July 6, 2025, as well as the installation of a brand new battery. The tires are relatively new, providing added confidence on the road. Just waxed, the exterior has a clean, glossy finish that really shows off the truck's timeless lines. While the toolbox pictured is not included in the sale, this F-150 itself is a dependable, well-kept pickup that has been cared for and maintained.
Number 5.
1990 GMC 1500, price $3,800. This truck has 203,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission.
The truck is finished in brown with a matching brown interior, giving it a classic look that fits its era.
Despite being an older pickup, it still runs and drives very well, making it a dependable option for someone looking for a solid, road-ready truck. As with many vehicles of its age, there are a few small details that need attention. It could use a new headliner, a replacement door handle, window trim, a third brake light, and fresh valve cover gaskets. While not perfect, this truck offers good performance, a timeless design, and comes with a clean title in hand.
Number 6.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $8,800, finished in a distinctive yellow exterior paired with a brown interior. It captures the charm of the era with its well-worn but appealing patina. Under the hood, it is equipped with the reliable inline-six 250 CI engine, mated to a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives fine overall, though it does have a small transmission leak that may need attention. It operates on gasoline and holds a clean New Jersey title, making it easy to transfer ownership. The air conditioning system is in place, but it will require a recharge before being fully functional. While there is some rust visible, as shown in the pictures, it adds to the authentic, aged look that many enthusiasts appreciate in classic pickups.
Number 7.
1968 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,900, finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with a 350 engine paired to a TH400 automatic transmission, delivering both strength and reliability. The truck also comes with power steering and power brakes, making it smooth and easy to handle on the road. This Chevrolet 2500 runs exceptionally well and is ready to be driven every day. All the gauges function properly except for the temperature gauge. Recently, a great deal of maintenance has been done to ensure the truck's dependability, including new spark plugs and wires, fresh engine and transmission oil, a new exhaust system, a new idler arm and pitman arm for new shocks, and a brand new fuel tank. An extra set of wheels is also included, adding further value to this already well-maintained and road-ready classic.
Number 8. 1975 Ford F100, price $7,200, with an automatic transmission and a 390 V8 engine. It comes in green with a black interior and runs on gasoline. The engine was rebuilt 18,000 miles ago, with all maintenance and oil changes handled by a local shop. It runs great, has a new radiator core support, a new battery, and a bed that's been sanded and lined. The truck includes 2 keys, dual gas tanks, 1 gauge faulty, and a toolbox without keys. Heat works but there's no AC, the radio is missing, the dash lights don't work, and the rear window seal needs replacing. Despite some dents and worn paint, all rust has been addressed, making this F100 a solid classic with a clean title in hand. Number 9.
1989 GMC Sierra, price $3,600. This classic is a solid 4x4 pickup with 116,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a dependable V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, it was rebuilt at 100,000 miles, a process documented with photos and receipts to verify the work. Finished in green with a gray interior, the truck has been well kept and shows no signs of hail damage. Inside, it features a doubled-in stereo system with a small surround setup, and everything functions as it should. While it does not have air conditioning, the truck runs strong with no check engine light, making it a reliable classic pickup that's ready to drive.
Number 10.
1972 Ford F250, price $6,900, finished in yellow with an automatic transmission. Recently, the truck received several important upgrades, including a conversion to a 4-barrel setup and a switch from points to an HEI ignition. It also comes equipped with dual fuel tanks, an auxiliary tank, and has been updated with a new battery, alternator, solenoid, sending unit, and LED tail lights with new turn signals. For reliability and performance, the manual fuel pump has been replaced with an electric one, while the C6 transmission was professionally rebuilt about a year ago by the pit stop. The truck also benefits from a new gearbox, as well as recently serviced front brakes with new rotors and a caliper replacement.